How to create an AOL account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new AOL account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and once you're on your web browser, simply type in aol.com. Now it will take you to the official homepage of AOL where in order to sign up or create a new account, you'll have to click on the option login/join, which you can find on the left side of the screen, or you can also find on the top right side of the screen. So you can click on any one of those two options, and now it'll take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option create an account. Now you'll have to enter your credentials such as your first name, last name, email address, password, mobile number, date of birth, and your gender. So quickly fill out all of those. Now once you've filled out all of the details, simply click on continue. And now you'll have to prove that you are not a robot. So click on this box right over here and then click on continue. And now it will send you a verification code to your phone number. So click on yes, send me a code. And now you'll have to check your mobile device to enter the code. So my code is 50765. So simply enter that and then click on verify. And there you have it. You have successfully created an AOL account. So that is basically how you create an AOL account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.